Thank you, sir. Then we are going to the next part of the presentation. I am sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir. A journey to Kurgan. I am going to the slideshow. Yes, a journey to Kurgan. I just take apology from Bari sir. Just I have a I use these Russian words, but I do not know why my pronunciation will be.
This is called this. I'll help you. This is called Puteshestvie Kurgan.
Yes, sir.
Puteshestvie, Mari journey.
Journey, yes, sir. Rightly mentioned. So I will not I will not go for the pronunciation. Bari sir already did that for me. And a journey to Kurgan, and from Nitor to Kurgan. Most of the orthopedic surgeons in Bangladesh are the product of Nitor, and it is our mother institute. And when I was a diploma student, just when in daily morning session, I got tasked with the legendary Elizabeth surgeon Bari sir from 2006, and from at that time, Bari sir used to tell every time, go to the Kurgan and see what are they are doing. Go to the Kurgan, what are they are doing. And from then, there is a dream in my mind that one time I definitely go to the Kurgan and want to see all of the activities and all of the scientific activities they are doing there. And I took my thesis in Elizabeth, and Bari sir was my guide in Elizabeth thesis. And from that dream, and we have to just take a very long duration to accommodate all the things and to make the preparation, because you know that the Russia is a very distant country from our places, and there are some expenses and other academic issues and academic expenses, also the fellowship expenses. So and also most important thing is that if you want to learn any good thing from a foreign country, you must have some experience doing this same activity in your country. Otherwise, you will not get the whole idea by seeing a very short moment of time. So you must have some exposure to Elizabeth surgery to get greater benefit from the Kurgan Center. So I dream about the Kurgan Center, and Bari sir makes me dream, and I also find my 7 Kurgan fellow with me to have the same dream. And this type of program schedule usually every you can get in the Kurgan website. The website address is also mentioned there in Kurgan Elizabeth Center website. Every year they organize this type of fellowship in a sequential gap, and usually we went there at April session, from 1st April to the 26th April. This is a transition time, not too much cold, not too much, and everyone is preparing for the for spring is coming, and usually it is a transition time. You can get some amount of snowfalls, and you can get a little bit cold weather, but not so cold as the other part of November, December. So the part of March and April is a little bit comfortable, and also the June period is very much comfortable because it is a springtime there, and usually all the trees and all the places are sunny, and there is the blooming of the trees and all over the green Kurgan you can see in the June. But we do not go to in June session, as because in June, because of Elizabeth birth anniversary, usually the Kurgan peoples are very much busy in their other program activities, anniversary activities. So we want to just go to at a good time, so that we can get 100% concentration in our fellowship and also in our learning process. So this was our consideration regarding going to Kurgan at that time. And for going to Kurgan, we just have a meeting for a 1 year before we going to Kurgan, because you know that the Kurgan always demand some fellowship fees also, and it is a very high amount. You can get all the information from the website, and also there are traveling cost and your 1 month cost and other thing. So you have to organize very earlier in the year, so that you can make all the things very nicely. And usually this proposal I put all the Kurgan fellow at the late part of December in 2017, and in Boscon 2018 we have a meeting in the Nitor at the just at a moment of the Boston conference, and have a consensus about how we can organize our tour to Kurgan. And this is very old picture of 2018, where the all Kurgan fellows and some others fellow who are just present in our meeting, but for some unavoidable reason they are not able to go there. And this is a very much memorable picture for us. Just before the flight of flight of Kurgan, the night before, we took a flight on 13th of March, but it was on 29th of March around 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. In a restaurant where we get our mentors a just a appreciation dinner in that area. I have a good time, and always we that time is very much memorable. Unfortunately, the Kamrujaman Bhai is not present here. He joined with us just later, and it was a pre-Kurgan traveling dinner with Barisar in 2019 and 29 March. And when we checked in our airport, we are everyone is smiling, and I am just holding the victory, just a preparation for going to Kurgan, because from Bangladesh only the Turkish airline from Istanbul to Moscow, usually we get that route, and it was early in the morning, usually 6 or 5 a.m. that we are waiting for the boarding, and in Hazrat Shahjalal Airport in Dhaka. And just before we are just about to in the plane for Kurgan, and when we landed in Kurgan, Luba, the very good and very generous volunteer from the Kurgan just pick up us from the airport, and we went to the Kurgan dormitory, and it was on 13th of March. And usually it takes 1 day to reach Kurgan from Bangladesh. From Bangladesh, you usually go to Istanbul, in the, 6 or 7 hours, and here there is a transit, and from there you go to Moscow for another 3 or 4 hours, and from the Moscow it takes 2.5 hours to reach the Kurgan, and usually takes a whole day, because you have to some layover time in flight. And after reaching the Kurgan, the first job for all the fellows was that just to see the Elizarov statue. It was on the morning of the 31st March. And our session will start on the 1st April. So we have a free time and a accommodation time, and to know all the local details of the Kurgan, so that we can cope 1 year very nicely. And the next first job in the 1st April, the official day, we want to see our professor portrait with the other dignities of the world in the Hall of Fame in Kurgan Center, and we don't miss the chance to take picture on that area. And Barisar advised us to, the Russians are very much fond of, if you meet them and if you get good gifts from your place, then they are very happy. And at the time of meeting, we meet the Gubin. Gubin was the director in that time. We go in at the first day of our academic day, and we just handed over a book from our country that is written in English. It was the autobiography of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the greatest Bengali Bengali from our country, and he is the founder of our country. So we handed over a autobiography of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to Gubin, and also there is a crafted wall mat from Adong. We just handed over Gubin, and it was a very delightful conversation and delightful meeting. And we are all the 7 Kurgan fellow have the dream in their eyes and very much enthusiastic, and they meet the Gubin and started the day with full spirit in Kurgan Center. In Kurgan Center, there we have a very good routine. Every day we meet in the Winter Garden. This place is known as Winter Garden, and she is Allah, and she is our interpreter. And also, I mailed all the communication between me and the Kurgan Center was through the Allah's mail. And you will get all the information about the international department on the later one. And every day, and there is a routine in Kurgan Center for me and also for Shetu Bhai and other Kurgan fellow. Every day at the last time, we used to call our mentor Professor Bari, and that was a very interesting moment, that where the Bari sir memorized his times and we share our times, and it was a so nice sharing moment. I cannot say you in a few words. It was a very interesting and memorizing time for me the last time. And that is my message to everyone. If you hold the hand of the Elizarab and adhere to his technique and spread his technique to all over the world, and then you will be master of one thing, you will get peace in mind, and you will be famous one. And at the last, the most memorable part come to us. Every Kurgan fellow successfully completed their training at the 25th of April, and we get the certificate from the Saldatov sir, Shigirov sir, and also the Sebes sir sitting on the end, and Valentina International Department head is standing behind, and all the 7 fellow got the certificate. And one thing I want to mention, that on appreciation speech by the Kurgan authority, they praised the Bangladeshi group very nicely, and all of the Bangladeshi groups have a very basic knowledge, and they performed participation in operation in Kurgan Center very nicely, and also share their knowledge with the Kurgan dignitaries very nicely, and they always encourage us the level of understanding of Bangladeshi group very nicely. And this is a very memorable picture, or must do it list from us before going to Kurgan. From the early part of my clinical practice in 2006, I used to see my mentor Bari sir have a picture with the snowfall and in Russia in this type of pose. So we just decided we must take this type of photograph whenever we get the snow in Kurgan. So this is for all Kurgan fellow. After doing the 1 month of fellowship, they are a little bit relaxing mood, and everyone is just copying the Bari sir pose in his Russian style. And also the dream of every man, here the place, working place of Kurgan, everyone in Kurgan Center just do not miss this chance to take a picture with the chair of Kurgan and with the Elizarab and with the table he uses, and thinks and imitate himself as a Elizarab surgeon, as a successor of Elizarab. And so my proposal is that Assami BD Fellowship, and that is for home and abroad, and also foreign participant, our Assami and Bangladesh Orthopedic Society will take the initiatives to make this happen. And memorandum of understanding, That is, if any government or any government center can make a memorandum of understanding with the Kurgan Center, then all the new surgeons and the new fellows can get all the chance a little bit low cost and little bit less tuition fees. So my proposal to on, as the Kurgan Center is a federal part of federal government, sometimes the Kurgan authorities don't have that right to decrease all the things and all making the memorandum of understanding. If the government of Bangladesh or Bangladesh Orthopedic Society or Assami can make this type of memorandum of understanding, that it will be helpful for the newer Elizabeth surgeon. And also the dissemination of knowledge. Dissemination of knowledge is my motto, and also it is the motto of all the Elizabeth surgeons and the Kurgan group. And we want to go for the all-year academic activity. And the most important thing is the standardization of the implant. And one thing regarding the fellowship, I want to just I want to think it is necessary to inform you that if you go in a good number in Kurgan Center, Valentina, the international department chief, just give us a promise that if you go in a good number, like the 10 people in a group in Kurgan Center at a time, then they will decrease the academic fees or the fellowship fees for one people. So it is a good offer from the Kurgan Center. I think this offer not very much important. If we sign a memorandum of understanding with the Kurgan Center or the Russian government, then we can get all the facilities in a very convenient manner. And this is my last slide, and it was our must do. And every day, usually in Kurgan, we phone Barisar and have some instruction how to do and where to go, because Barisar is the master of Kurgan. He knows all the things better than anyone about the Kurgan in this area. So we go there with a bunch of roses to express our greatest thank and gratitude, and also the honor this academician, this great man, on his grave. And we just stay there for a minute of silence, and then we come back. And it was a very wonderful feelings about these young surgeons, that they are standing just on the side of Elizabeth. So thank you.